Good morning. It's Me Tone Classic, and I'm about to show you guys my morning routine, my college morning routine. And this is like my last year in college, and I waited until now to do morning routines. Great. So I just woke up, I just brushed my teeth, and I'm getting ready to eat a bagel and go to the gym. My bed is made up. Oh my god, why am I out of breath for making up my bed? Jesus. This is lavender spray that my mother bought me. I spray my bed with it every morning when I wake up. Just because lavender is that I'm so out of breath, oh my god. Lavender is like a natural sleep inducer, I'm pretty sure. It also just is like calming and it has some other beneficial properties. So I spray my bed with it to just keep me, like, you know, in the zone. Now I'm about to eat a bagel. I can't believe I'm on YouTube like with my whole do-rag on, like just looking wild like this. This is crazy. In the morning before I go to the gym, a bagel is usually what I'll eat just because it's kind of light on my stomach and you know, before I'm doing all this exercise, right? So I eat a bagel with cream cheese. Okay, so I was actually gonna like record me eating my bagel, or like bageling my bagel, but I ate it too fast. So now I'm gonna put on my gym clothes. Closet is a little tight. My closet right now, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this cute little Nike tank to the gym, you know, very much Red Riding Hood tees, very much the color is Red by Taylor Swift. I just went to start my car. It's literally so cold outside that, like, homophobia. It's so cold. And so I'm just sitting here waiting for my car to, you know, not be a glacier. And, you know, that's the move for the day. Hashtag don't be a glacier, sis. Don't be stiff. Honestly, I used to love going to the gym, and then it was just like, this is not fun. I feel like I honestly enjoy going in the summer more, because I feel like in the summer there's just more pressure to be fine. Like, you want to go to the gym because you want to be fine because it's hot outside and you want to be naked. But in the wintertime, it's like pulling teeth and nails, girl, because it is so cold outside. Like, I'm shaking like a stripper in Alaska. My gym rides in the morning are usually my time to like listen to the most gangsta female rap that I can possibly find. Like the most like hood, ghetto, unrelatable. I'm gonna listen to some Asian Doll.
So you can give me brain, nigga. Count a chicken for me next. I hang with the same niggas. You can't even handle bitches. We are not the same, nigga. When you got a cup, scissors.
Okay, guys, so I'm at the gym, and to be honest, I really don't even know what my fitness goals are these days. It seems like I'm not getting any weight anytime soon, okay? Everything I eat goes to my forehead, and I don't know, so I'm just kinda, I guess I work out just for like fitness, endurance. Sorry for the glare, my screen's cracked, gross. Okay, the sun is up. What time is it? 7:51, I have class at 9:30, guys. I have class at 9:30. I'm on my way home to eat my real breakfast and, you know, take a shower, exfoliate, pick out my outfit for the day, all of that jazz. The sky is so pretty right now, so I'm just gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna enjoy that on the drive home, okay? All right, thanks. This light is very unflattering. Very unflattering. Okay guys, I'm making eggs. I used to make 3 eggs. Okay, so I'm making my eggs, my 3 eggs, 2 pieces of turkey bacon, a bowl of oatmeal, and a protein shake. That's usually what I have for like my breakfast when the gym is done.
Take no shortcuts. I spent the money that I saved up. Oh, mama's running out of luck. Feel like my
This concludes my morning routine. If it was a mess, I'm sorry. That's probably because my life is. And I'm late to class. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my fashion lifestyle blog. Follow me on Instagram. Pray for me because it's cold as hell.